I'm from Nepal. I'm very excited. This morning, 9 young gentlemen and ladies, beautiful ladies, they are taking to water baptism in the name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit. They came from all over Nepal to train 45 days. School of Evangelism and Mission in Kawasati, West Nepal, South Asia. And it is wonderful time, and God has given this privilege to take the water baptism in the name of Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Is that amazing? Wonderful. So God has a so powerful, amazing, and wonderful God. God has created beautiful, amazing, and so He is a beautiful God. And you can see here, very gentleman and very beautiful, and they are taking the water baptism. So thank God, God has given this wonderful time, blessed time, these 45 days, and everyone excited to take the water baptism. This is God's will, God's desire, ambition. So thank you so much for your partnership, the prayer, donation, everything. Because of you, today it is successful. And we thank God. God has so amazing God. And we never expect, but God has brought these people, young people, from different part of the Nepal country. So thank you so much for watching this movie and standing in your prayer every day. May God bless you.